Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can reset your password on Tantan. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's dive into the video. So firstly, you need to open the Tantan application. In order to open, you need to download it. So you can download it in App Store or Play Store. So now let's open the Tantan. Now I have opened the Tantan application successfully. So I just use continue with phone number option here. I enter my phone number and press the continue button that is just below it, and I need to enter my password. So in order to reset the password, I just need to click on the reset here where there is forgot your password and click on the reset here option. After that, they will send me a code to my phone number, so I'll just click on the next button and they will send me the code. You have to wait patiently for a few seconds or few minutes for them to send the code successfully to you. Now they have successfully sent the code to my phone number. Now I just have to open my message box and copy the code that they have sent to me. So I'll just copy it and go back to my Tantan application and paste it here. Now the code has been verified successfully. Now I just need to add my new password. Now I've added my new password, then I'll press the done button. When I have pressed the done button, as you can see, my password has been changed successfully and I have logged into my Tantan account. So this is how you can reset your password on the application Tantan. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up. Thank you.